Guys, welcome to the Maiden Arrows RC channel. Today we have our Arrows 1100mm F8F Bearcat. We're going to do two flights for you today on this airplane. The first will be of the 2200 3-cell battery. The winds were pretty crazy today. Sorry about that. We actually did some stall landings, as you'll see soon, where we landed it in about 3 feet. Second pack we flew was the 3300 battery. It really liked the additional nose weight. I think you could actually go a little bigger even if you had a larger pack. Anyway, I'm going to get out of the way. The next shot you're going to see is this beautiful airplane sitting on the runway and getting up in the air. Thanks and enjoy our videos. Alright guys, taking off the Arrows RC F8F Bearcat. This is the new release, the 1100 series. Here we go, maiden flight. Timer start. Wow, it took them fast. Gear up. Wind is tossing me around today. Woo! We're standing on the other side of our runway today because the sun's behind us. We're the only ones in the field though, so we're being safe about it. Sorry to have it 10 miles up there, guys. Flying on a 2200. We've got it all the way to the firewall right now. And I'm trying to feel what it needs for trim. I think it needed it. It is breezy today though. We're actually flying in probably 15-mile-an-hour wind. We just wanted to get it up and see it up in the air, guys. So I'm going to point it into the wind now and come by. Time remaining 4 minutes. Kind of slow and pretty, very scale looking though. On a nicer day, this airplane is going to be phenomenal. Right, here we go. Low pass, right down the road. Woo! Not too low. Like I said, that wind is being brutal right now. We waited till the afternoon. We tried to do this earlier this morning. The winds here were 20 miles an hour. Let's go for a roll. Alright, right down the runway, Dad. Nice and gentle. Flying little airplane though. Go right down the runway again. You know, with the 1100 size on a real windy day like this, you're still going to have a hard time fighting the wind. It's just how it is. Okay, I'll bring it down the runway again. Man, it is beautiful out here right now, guys. But I think it's a lot windier up there than it is down here right now.
Ooh, I lost it.
Wind caught it there at the end. I had to pull it out. Low passes are kind of interesting right now. You know, I'm just flying it kind of easy, about a quarter throttle, and it's handling it well. It's just, man, it is bumpy up there. I think this is going to be a great airplane to put our Hobby Eagle gyro in and show you on a day like today again the difference between having a gyro and not having a gyro. and they're gonna get tossed around a little bit. All right, what I'm gonna do is try the flaps, see how it is. One notch the flaps, oh yeah, slows down good. Man, I almost think I can hover this guy in today. Everybody kind of step back over this way. We'll come in at an angle. I think I can land this probably just a few feet today. If I turn it right into the wind.
Winnie.
Stop.
Sorry guys, our dog's trying to run off too.
I'm actually going to do a go around here. With the wind the way it is though.
Timer stop.
STOL Bearcat today coming in about 3 feet. I'm telling you, the wind is crazy right now. If you saw that, I landed that in 3 feet. That's funny. Who needs a what is it called? The big bush plane when you can have an F8 Bearcat and do it, right?
Right.
Oh, we'll see y'all back at the table. All right, guys, we're gonna get a second flight in here. This one is gonna be with a 3200 LiPo. So we're gonna try a little more nose weight, see if it helps penetrate. Here we go.
Timer start.
Ooh, I already like that better with a little heavier pack in it. And the wind's kind of cooperating with us a little bit better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it mushing the turn there with the wind behind it. Yeah, that nose weight helped it a lot for the wind. Get it with a little rudder here in the turn. Oh man, it's great. There's definitely some weird turbulence right there. Do you see it wiggling it? Yeah.
Timer meeting for a minute.
Beautiful. For the price, guys, these guys are knocking it out of the park. I'm going to come the other way when I come by from the close passes where the wind's in front of it. Let's do a 4-point. Alright, real close. I'm going to just come straight down the runway real close, right on the cone line.
3 minutes.
Wind's still kind of bumping me, guys, but it is definitely calmed down a lot. How are you? Or how easy it is to see that blue airplane today on the camera.
Almost looks like a black airplane.
Silhouette.
It's just a still.
I'm close enough for you?
Say they coming in the camera.
That close. Lots of power too, even on 3-cell, guys. Look at the wind push that over the top. Woo. Full bore pass. Let's see how fast it really goes. You know, for 3-cell, it's respecting up. I can try. I'm still kind of fighting the still fighting me a little bit up there? It's hard to see right now, dude. Blue airplane. See, it's very silhouette-y over there. How'd that look?
Careful. I'll come close again.
How's that for closer? Oh, Lori, did you get that one?
I got most of it until...
Oh. You know, it's funny, guys. Let me put the flaps out again. You saw us landed a second ago. I really think I can almost hover this airplane by us right now. I'm going to do a dirty pass, gear out.
Winnie, come here.
Timer stop.
Top the power, throw the flaps out.
It's never gonna make it.
I mean to tell you, you are almost hovering this thing in. Look at that. Flat gear up while it's going by. Look at that. I mean, into the wind, guys, it's just a joy. For a warbird, I mean, the stall on this is just a crawl. I'm gonna put the gear out right as it comes by you, Dad. All right, guys, let's actually land it. Throw another pack in it. I'm sure I could fly it longer, but we're losing our light. It's getting hard to see the little guy,
Timer stop.
but the wind has completely stopped for us, so maybe I can actually land it nice right now.
Timer stop.
Can't ask for much better than that, but yeah, it's getting dark quickly. And that blue airplane is hard to see in the evening.
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop. Got that. Got that. Y'all take my booty.
Guys, we had a wonderful time today. Take it easy on this one for your throw on the elevator. I actually flew mine on the lowest rate that I had set up in here. On a Spectrum radio, I set the airplane up by the book, but on the rates in the radio, I actually ended up going at 65% for the elevator throw. The ailerons felt good. I'd leave those how they are, 100%. If you want, you can always tame them down. Just select you another switch on your radio for it. Other than that, it's a great airplane. It's slow if you want it to be. It's fast if you want it to be. For 3-cell power, this is an awesome airplane. At the price point, you can't beat it. So like and subscribe for more great videos, guys, and thanks for stopping by the Boozers. Yeah, it wasn't a bad landing for what we're doing right now.
I got it.
Boing.
Boing. I thought it boinged once.
But look
that
at
ain't bad.
look at how short that landing was,
Boing,
though.
yeah.